Welcome to my channel. So in front of me there's a TV and I see a lot of subscribers. Okay, I just got in. I see this when not that one, but 26 videos from views from 11 days ago. Going to find out who is it. Two. Search from there to there. Take a God. Like what? This is overly Dudu. So Dudu, well, 3 this one, not that one. This one, I mean, oh.
So in this episode, I'll be curing world hunger by terraforming Minecraft and turning it into a giant farmland.
Okay.
To the channel, please subscribe and like.
Thank you. So I got this hell out of way. You see, something's off, right? That's not for. Yeah, something off, right? That's my channel. And you see something's off. What is it? West Jet sucks at geography. Zigzag of course, Oscar and Chicago geographer. Where the hell is this? Compare ... It's supposed to be comparison. Okay, pair. This is a long video. Mike, no. Jackseptic eye. Not there. That before is a Bluetooth pair. This is today I'm talking full English for the day. Fine, London. What is this called? Map tab.
So basically, it was just about clicking where it asks to click. So they wanted to click anywhere inside of Germany, which should be fairly straightforward. Off the bat, let's go right in the middle, which is there. Okay, let's see it. Beautiful, perfect score 100. So not quite in the middle, it's actually over a little bit, but still fine. That was close as you come to the US-Vietnam Memorial. Okay, things have suddenly escalated quite considerably in difficulty there. US-Vietnam Memorial. Well, it's going to be in the US. And I would only assume that it's going to be in Washington somewhere. Can I locate Washington? I think it's like around here, but I honestly don't know. So I'm going to try here, and let's hope for the best. Okay, so that more towards New York. I don't think that is New York. Not quite. It's 91. Not great. That is close as you can to the Ann Arbor, Michigan. I don't know where
Michigan.
Right, it's like Michigan, isn't it? Not Michigan. Alright, Michigan, where are you? And
There.
think about it, think about it.
There.
So far away here. I feel like
Mm,
it's over like here or here.
There.
Right.
There.
Go with
That one. Like fully of legs.
okay.
There.
Further over. Okay, yeah, I did not get Michigan.
Near Detroit.
Right, that's a place, the wrong place. There's just no need for comments like that. Have anywhere in Pakistan, it's something I should be a little bit better
Pakistan is there.
without any borders. It's not easy. You know what? It looks kind of epic, doesn't it, when you actually see all of the textures? Look at like the swirl. This is beautiful. Okay,
Ooh. I want to try this game.
obviously this one. So I think Pakistan is probably gonna maybe follow this sort of whatever this shape is, because often countries do. You know, for example, I know that a lot of countries border the Himalayas on each side. So I'm gonna go right there, please. Let's see it. Yes. Oh, do you know what? I mean, that is like perfect, isn't it? That's like right in the middle. It looks so much like a dinosaur. Oh, he's got okay. So as close as we can to appear Samoa. Oh, Samoa. That is really quite.
There is Samoa.
Obviously, it's Oceania, so it's definitely somewhere within this vicinity. But
Not there.
no, it's not anywhere as far as like Hawaii. I think it's more on this area. I
No.
think maybe one of these.
No.
This little green speck. Let's give it a try.
No. Someone is there.
Great. I'm actually 6,000 kilometers away. That's quite far away, let's be honest. Remember I was saying, well, it's not all the way over here, but it is actually almost lined up with Hawaii. Okay, I need to remember that. We get a bit of info about Samoa now. That'll be His name was fellow that made the train, right? He was a frail child. The doctor thought he would live long enough to walk. Right?
Okay, done. 7 minutes. So, come on. We gotta look at my channel. This is a song, but it's 2 minutes, not 3 minutes. That's so fast. Mana entah November ini. Hari ini Melayu, so jom. Kita nak cari mana entah Ya, ni 7 tambah 9 berapa? 16. Tambah 5. Kita nak tengok ni. Ni tak popular sebab tak ramai. Oh lah, 8 minit dah. Na 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 da 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 da. Does everybody like that? Jangan. Nade, abah. Jangan buat macam tu. Jangan. Nasib baik tak mati. Kalau kita tengok video sedepan-depan. Nah, Ade Abah, Naira Edina, Iris Nur Almahira Acik, Bos Fayyadi, Isma Almahira, Kek batik. Kan Kek Batika. Kan cakapan tu. Tu captions dia tu. Kek batik ke ni? Ketawa kek batik. Lepas tu kek batikah. Bagi kat dia. Kek batik. Waktu Fain cakap, saya cakap kek batikah. Kenapa? Sebab cakapan. Sini. Jangan buat video. Robot pula. Ni robot ke apa ni? Pengangkat. Mai mana pula Iris datang ni? Naira cakap dekat Iris, lepas tu buat macam tu. Dia boleh buat apa je. Ya Allah, lupa pula. Nade. Oh. Kenapa tak pusing? Kenapa tak pusing? Saya left-handed. Sebab tu lah. Makan. Bye.